Yung usapin ng unexplained wealth, lalo na in relation sa SALN. At dahil dyan, pwedeng mag-request na buksan yung kanyang mga bank accounts sa AMLA at saka sa mga bangko. Ito ba ay kayang gawin ng Justice Committee or ng House for that matter? Or yung Ombudsman lang ang pwedeng gumawa niyan?
And
Ganito,
when are
no?
you...
I'm
when are
trying
you
to be as conservative as possible in addressing this issue, no? We need to revisit the law on bank secrecy. You will see the exceptions to that. One of the exceptions is impeachment cases, no?
Yeah.
Meron tayong rules sa statutory construction. When the law does not distinguish, we should not distinguish, no?
Yeah.
The law does not provide whether that impeachment case pertains only to the Senate. The law does not provide whether that impeachment case includes the proceeding before the Justice Committee. So, from my perspective, I am inclined to submit that it applies to both. Which means that the House of Representatives, through the Justice Committee, as well as the Senate during the trial, can issue subpoena for bank records by way of exception to the bank secrecy law without violating the provisions of the bank secrecy law.
Yeah, but at what point in the process do you think you will request that and test that provision?
After the declaration of sufficient ground, it triggers already the start of the hearing proper. And if you will be reading carefully the rules, it is once you start the hearing proper that the parties, including the respondent, the complainant and the respondent, can actually file motions for the issuance of subpoena. Not only duces tecum for the purpose of documents, but even ad testificandum if they want to compel the attendance of significant witnesses. No? So, to my interpretation, these are powers which were granted to the Justice Committee to actually aid the parties in the production of evidence that they need or they wish to present before the Justice Committee.